get after it. Yo, what up? Let's get back on the 240. Got a couple parts here last week, and well, it's nice out, so let's pop on some side skirts. Got these from one of the homies, and let's pop them on. Alright, well, went ahead and got this guy installed. A couple of screws to the OE mounting point in the front. Some double stick tape up on the corners. And I popped a quick zip tie there in the back. We're good to go. It's looking pretty rad. I think I need to find some sort of rear bumper extension to go on there, and I think the aero package will be complete with this guy. There we go, a little bit of a morale boost, if you will, midwinter. It's not quite so cold. Got a couple stickers on, some side skirts on, and you know the car's looking good. So let's keep the momentum up and get this thing ready to go come springtime.